Frustrated by the URL Redirect Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Before we get into the manual guide for URL Redirect Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the URL Redirect Library, the URL Redirection Library. It manages the localized redirection of localized web requests between different browser engines or security sandboxes, frequently used in enterprise environments to force localized URLs to open in specific legacy or secure localized browser containers. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. If you see a URL Redirect Library DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Localized URL Redirection orchestration subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the URL Redirect Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Replacing URL Redirect Library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to URL Redirect Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing URL Redirect Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.